Your office building is the face of your company, so you pride yourself on maintaining a first-class work environment for your employees and clients alike. When it comes to cleaning your business, the vendors you hire reflect on you. So it's time to go with a team that relentlessly pursues the highest standards in cleaning. For more than 60 years, ServiceMaster Clean has provided commercial cleaning services backed by local experts with customized programs designed to meet your needs day or night. We aim to deliver a better cleaning experience. That's why we use proprietary cleaning processes and training, like our patented capture and removal cleaning system. It combines powerful products, advanced technologies, and a high-productivity approach that dramatically decreases airborne dust. And we put quality control at your fingertips. Our ServiceLink proprietary mobile application streamlines communication between ServiceMaster managers and our customers. This app enables customized inspections to be performed with only a few simple clicks. ServiceMaster Clean ensures that our work is clean, compliant, and consistent each time we service your office. Because the job's not done until the job's done right. ServiceMaster Clean. We'll stop at nothing to get the job done right.